Hello, today's experiment is called Litmus Paper Maker. For this experiment, you're going to need from your kit a litmus paper round, purple sweet potato powder, your beaker, your yellow measuring spoon, and your stirrer. From home, you'll need some water, a pair of scissors, and a paper plate. Using the scissors, cut your litmus paper into 3 to 5 strips. We're going to be using this litmus paper later on for more experiments. Then, add 10 milliliters of water to your beaker. To that, add 2 large spoonfuls of the purple sweet potato powder. Make sure that the spoonfuls are level. Now, use your stirrer and stir everything up. Take your litmus paper, one at a time, and dip halfway into the mixture. Place it on your paper plate to let it dry. See you at the next experiment.